So the end of another successful week. It was a crazy one. Did a lot of night work. Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, we still have a lot of things to do before the move on the 21st. Yeah, it's gonna be tight, but let me show you what happened. So first off, we start in the bathroom. You'll see the vanity has been installed. It's working as well with water. The toilet is installed. That's working beautifully. We've painted the bathroom and the laundry. We've started installing the floors. So, as you would have seen on some of the other videos, so the bathroom is about halfway done with its floors. Then, if we go through, we've prepped the entire first floor for floors. And here we've got different stages of completion. So over here, we've got the underfoil in. So the next step that needs to get done here is the yellow subfloor, then the electrical underfloor heating, then the quick step underfloor for the floor, and then we can start with the actual floor paneling. So that still needs to happen all before the move. As you can see, all the plugs still needs to be done as well. The lights. We finished the painting of all the rooms, so you can see the office, the roof, DJ's room, the roof, the spare room, which will be our room for a little bit, the roof, and install the paneling and everything back in. So we also still need to do the trim around the windows. We also had to take off the doors of all the rooms, because obviously with the new floors, these doors are going to be too low, so they need to be shaved at the bottom to allow for the new flooring system. Then we also need to still do the entire hallway. Still some stuff to be done. So till next time.